Right, time now for some business. Let's make sense. Airtel Money Kenya, Britam, and Inclusivity Solution have collaborated to introduce inclusive insurance solutions that will see individuals covered for as little as 35 shillings a month. Now, the insurance package, which is tailored for both individuals and, of course, the families' needs, aims to revolutionize the landscape by providing affordable, market-relevant, and easy access to comprehensive coverage. Now, the covers are personal accident cover available at 150 shillings for families and 35 shillings an individual. Hospital cash that lasts expense each at 40 shillings per individual or 170 shillings for families, and consumers can also get a combination of all the above through the combo benefit of 100 shillings per individual a month.
We want you to work hard, pay for your kids' school fees, and leave the risks to us. We know how to manage risks. You are able to, in case you're hospitalized, we are going to be able to replace your income. In case you have an accident in the course of doing your job, you will then be able to be compensated so that then you can take care of the things that matter most, which is your family and your children.
Hospital cash product kind of complements the loss of income in case of a hospitalization. The personal accident cover takes care of, it kind of pays if there is an accidental death or disability, which again, given that we are a nation which doesn't have that social security, if something happens to the the earner, then the whole family suffers. So the personal accident cover ensures that a big lump sum is paid to the family so that they can get back on track.
My partner here is saying that we're going to use our white card